Hey guys, welcome to ND72's YouTube channel, and this is my CLK55.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, but something we haven't done before. I got a set of reindeer antlers, and we're going to see if we can try to blow them off the car, install them the proper way. So we did this last year with my CLK430, so this time we're going to try it with the CLK55. We'll go a little bit faster, and we'll see if they blow up, or blow off. Mounted up, they clip right on. Got the GoPro there, and some bird did a carpet bomb on my effing car. Gonna have to wash that today. But we're going to go ahead in the car, get the draggy all set up, and go see if they blow off. Okay, so the photo shoot not going so well so far. Get back, lost GoPro. Been walking for about 2 hours up and down the road. Finally found what I hope to be my GoPro. Ran over about 15 effing times. All the casing, I can't find evidence of anything, but I found a GoPro that looks to be just like effing mine, and hopefully it's okay. Well, I doubt it's okay. I don't even know where the effing case went though. But I've been just walking up and down this highway in Mexico, and I was hoping it didn't fall off, because as you can see, it's literally woods all over this area, and just if it went over the corner, it would have been donkeyed. But I'm gonna keep walking and try to find the evidence of the rest of the case. I think I found the case. Let's go check. Hello, Mr. GoPro holder, at least. What case though? Search goes on. What's that noise? Oh, piece! Another piece. I think we're on the trail of when it flew off and then just kept getting run over and run over. Walking back to the car, carrying the evidence of my poor GoPro. So far. So hot of a walk. We'll see, hopefully the memory card and everything's good in here, because I didn't pull footage off of here from when I went down south, and I had a couple races on here. I'm hoping nothing's too effing damaged. The mount actually looks okay. Mine's not the huge effing rip in it. Yeah, my GoPro. Back in the car. Alright, so we got the GoPro back. We're missing more pieces, because normally this would go into here, and then there'd be a cover that goes over it, and it would snap in there. And then this is literally missing the piece that would go tink. It got pretty effing banged up. It looks like part of it might have ripped off, and that would ruin the suction or something like that. I don't effing even know. But we'll hopefully. And then this one, the LCD's gone. Maybe if I put a new battery in it, maybe it would turn on. But nothing's really going right now. So I didn't look at it, so we're gonna hope. Ooh, so far we could pull that out. Yeah. Ooh, that battery is not even coming out. That's a bad sign. I might have to get pliers for that, but we're hoping the memory card is really all I effing care about, so we're gonna come out. It's coming out so far. It doesn't look to be damaged. I mean, if you look like, geez, this thing is like shattered. It got hit by a few effing cars. It's a little bit I'll try to set it back to GoPro. Maybe it'll do something for me, but I doubt it. So, clean it up a little bit, and then we'll try it on the computer. Yeah, part of my whole setup over here. See if it works. I haven't tested this yet or even seen if it'll actually register yet. So I started editing part of the video. Oh, it's pulling stuff up. Pulling it up. All right, we got some random stuff. Load up. These are all races from down south. This is the one we're looking for. So we're gonna, oh crap, what the heck is happening? Okay, So I'm gonna try to import that whole video and actually see what that happened. Import selected. Da-na-na, da-na-na. And then I'll cut to the video right here if it plays. At this point, something was wrong with the memory card. I had to pull it up, try to clean off, blow it. I didn't blow into it. Didn't really know if that would actually work. I did a couple things. I had to import it a completely different way, and the footage was still a little bit donkeyed. So here's what I actually got out of it. And go! Bam. Then the footage just goes to black. So I slowed down, or I started to slow down at like 150-ish, because that's when I heard thump thump. I'm like, what the hootenanny was that? And then, you know, I slowly figure out I lost the GoPro. So the GoPro flew off right around just say 49, 150-ish, 151. Effing antlers stayed on better than the effing GoPro did. Can't blow those hootenanny things off. But it is what it is. Things happen. I'll go and buy another one. I'll buy another GoPro. I'll maybe go buy another GoPro suction cup or something like that, because they're like 40 effing dollars. And if they rip off, I'm hoping that one was just defective, and I hoping GoPro will recontact me again and we'll get it better. But thanks guys for viewing. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Merry Christmas, and see you guys later. So also on a sad note about the GoPro incident. So I called up GoPro and told them what happened. They literally ran me around for 2.5 hours on the phone, and they told me, oh, that sucks. They won't fix the camera. They said it's too old. They won't fix the suction. They said, oh, we don't recommend you to do this, do that. We just recommend the suction will hold on there. The mount, they said the mount is warranted to hold on there to 150, but not the cameras. And what's funny is you could actually see where it looks like it just like brittly broke off or whatever, and that's what probably blew it off. So the best they would do for me, they said, oh, we'll give you 25% off of a brand new GoPro. And I was like, I'm not trying to buy a new one. They're like, oh, well, our mounts are only warranted to hold the mount on, not anything else. I was like, really? They're like, yep. So just heads up, I probably got a defective one. Not saying they're all effing like that, but I did not have a good experience with GoPro customer service. And I will name names. Jake. Jake was lying to me on there. He kept telling me he was a senior manager and all that stuff. Found out there was chickens living in his house. It was a big conspiracy. Big conspiracy. But it happens. GoPro said their mounts will last up to 187 miles an hour. Really? I call fucking bullshit, GoPro. I call motherfucking bullshit. Fell all off.